This week I have something in store for you guys. You're gonna be in for a treat. As you know already, I'm always gonna do something totally different. And which part you there? In the kitchen. For this episode, I'm gonna be doing a barbecue jerk baby lamb chop, and I'm gonna be serving it with some spinach and tortellini. You don't wanna miss this. Keep it locked, don't go nowhere. In the kitchen. I'm gonna be doing a jerk baby lamb chop, and as you know already, I'm gonna be using my favorite brand that I always love to use, Walker's Wood. I'm going for the hot and spicy because that's what I love. And then we're gonna be using also the jerk barbecue from Walker's Wood, and I'm gonna be using the jerk marinade. Here we have our nice lamb chops, nice lollipop, nice and clean. I'm gonna take this bad boy off, put him down. I'm gonna make some nice little cuts through it. And as I say, I'm gonna marinate this, so I'm gonna put it inside of a bowl because I'm gonna pour the marinade over it. And this, at this point, this is where you'd probably put this inside the bowl to marinate, put a plastic wrap over him, keep him real good, looking real good, make him nice and level. Then I'm gonna go for my marinade. Pour over your meat and let him marinate just like that. And as you can see, this have a very rich flavor to it. Very rich. If you don't want it to marinate too strong, what you can also do, you can add a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit of water, and leave him just like that in your refrigerator. You can just imagine how flavorful this look and how flavorful this is gonna taste. Listen, just look at that. Look how pretty that looks. A little bit of pepper, not too much. And I'm gonna go for a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Not too much, because as you know already, I like my food very flavorful. I'm all about flavor and memorable taste. I'm gonna go for a little bit of salt. Nothing too crazy, because you know you have to watch your salt intake. Can't go too much. Make him look real nice. All right. And I'm gonna go for a little bit of clarified butter over him. So whenever I put it inside, it's real good and it's not gonna stick. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to be too spicy. You massage him in real good, flip him over, make him look real good. And if you don't have a grill outside, you don't have to do it on a grill. You can do it on a skillet, real easy, inside your kitchen in your home, because you're gonna get the same flavor. So I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper flakes inside, give up the oil. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Looking real good. I don't want it to cook too much because I want it to have a nice little bite to it. I don't want it to be too overdone. The sauce is gonna be made with a little bit of mango salsa, so it's gonna have a mango flavor to the sauce, and that's kind of what I'm shooting for. I'm shooting for that nice mango tropical flavor. So that's what I want to get. Here comes the lamb chop again. And I'm putting that bad boy right inside. Beautiful. Looking real good. I'm gonna add a little bit of bourbon to it. You can't go wrong with a little bit of bourbon. Beautiful. That's what I want to see. I'm all about presentation. I love that. People eat with their eyes. I always say that people eat with their eyes. If they see something that looks good, they definitely want to try it. And here we go, tortellini, some Confederate tomato and spinach right on the side. Something different. Something different, guys. And this is how we do it, in the kitchen. In the kitchen, the only show right now on TV that is anywhere close to doing this. This is the only place you can get this. CEEN, in the kitchen. Nice little bit of gravy right on the side. All right, guys, you see that? We did this together. See how simple it was? I know you're saying, yes, chef, it was simpler for you, but it's not. But trust me, if you follow all the little steps I just did, you're gonna end up with just the same presentation, same flavor, same taste. Make sure, grab your Walker's Wood. But listen, jerk baby lamb chop. Barbecue, jerk baby lamb chop with a saute tortellini, spinach, and some Confederate tomato. So you know what we do. In the kitchen this week, you know already, get yourself a glass of lemonade, and you're good to go. As a matter of fact, get a nice cold red stripe beer. You're good to go. In the kitchen. See you next week.
Come chat with me.